Namaste, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna talk about hair care. So I've tried a lot of products from shampoo to conditioners, and even after trying so many products, I felt that I was missing something. You know, my hair missed out something. So for a very long time I used to feel कि कुछ missing है, there's something I'm missing out from hair care, even after using a lot of products and even after doing oiling and stuff. Still there was missing something. But it was only until I found these products. These are Biolage deep treatment packs. So I've started using these recently and I have seen a huge difference in my hair. Even you can see it, that my hair looks a lot more smoother and manageable. So these deep treatment packs comes in 3 variants, and I use the smooth proof pack variant, which is basically for frizzy hair. So let me just go through with all these 3 variants, and I will be talking about the ingredients and for what hair type you should use what type of treatment pack. So the very first one is this one. This is Ultra Hydro Source pack with aloe and spirulina extract, and this is basically for dry hair. And as I said that it has aloe and spirulina as extract, which works really good for dry hair. And all of these treatment packs smells amazing. This one smells great as well. The second one I have is Colorlast pack, which is this one. It has orchid and apricot seeds, and as you can see in the texture, you can actually see tiny particles of the apricot seeds. I really don't know whether you can see, but you can definitely feel it if you apply this. This one is basically for the colored hair people. Since I have cut my hair shorter, all my hair like till here are basically virgin. So I choose the third treatment pack, which is this pack, and this is their smooth proof pack. It has camellia and castor oil, and this is basically for frizzy hair. And I have seen a huge difference in my hair after using this. So I definitely feel that these treatment packs one should include in their hair care regime, because they give extra nourishment to your hair and it provides 90% more care than your conditioner. So you should definitely include them in your hair care regime. So let me tell you how I use them. So here you can see I have unwashed hair, so I have to shampoo hair before applying this treatment pack. So your hair should be shampooed and they should be damp before applying this treatment pack. And you can see my hair are very frizzy and unmanageable as of now. And now I will go and wash my hair, and here I have a damp hair. And now I will be applying the treatment pack, and I will be showing you how you can apply the treatment pack on your hair. So here are the 3 variants. I am choosing the smooth proof one because I have frizzy hair. So I'm just gonna take a little section of my hair like this, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of the treatment pack onto my palm like this, and I'm gonna start applying to the lengths of my hair, and I'm just gonna start twisting my hair. And I'm gonna do the same thing with the other sections of my hair. With this kind of application, you cover your hair evenly with the product rather than just, you know, applying all the product at one spot. But with this method, your whole hair gets covered evenly with the product. And now I will be keeping it for 3 minutes, and then I'll just wash it off, rinse it off basically. And here you can see my hair are completely dry now, and they are frizz free, and they are very much manageable and smooth looking. And here you can see the before after difference, before shampoo and before the treatment pack, and after shampoo and after the treatment pack. You can see how smooth my hair looks and how frizz free my hair looks after the treatment pack. So I completely love using this because it makes my hair look more you know, manageable and more smoother. So that's how I use them, and you can see a visible difference in my before and after hair, and you can definitely feel the change after using the pack. Your hair will be much smoother and much healthier looking. So you have to apply just once in a week and you're good to go. Like, they will treat your hair. So you can just include these pack once in a week in your hair care regime. You can just have a spa Sunday for yourself with these deep treatment packs and pamper yourself a little bit with them, and you'll definitely see the difference. I am loving my hair after using this, and I can see definitely a visible healthy change. My hair are much more frizz free because the weather is very humid, hot and humid these days, and my hair gets frizzy very easily, but it is helping me a lot these days in the frizz control. So I'm really loving it. And these packs retails for 350 rupees, which I think is great price for these kind of treatment. So you can choose accordingly according to your hair type. If your hair are colored, you can go for the color last one. If your hair are dry, you can go for the Hydra Source pack, and if you deal with frizz like me, then definitely you can go for the Smooth Proof pack. So I completely recommend them. You should indulge yourself in these treatment packs to pamper yourself once in a week. They're definitely worth it, and you can see the actual change in your hair. So yeah, that was it for the video. I hope this review was helpful for you, and I will be seeing you in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful, stay healthy and stay safe. Bye bye, take care.